Hello guys. If you recently got a hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser and are unsure how to set everything up correctly, do not worry because the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people unpack the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser and feel confused by the oil bottle, tubing or settings, while other times the diffuser powers on but does not seem fully ready to use. Since proper setup helps the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser spread fragrance smoothly throughout the space, learning the correct order can make everything feel much simpler. The good part is that once setup finishes properly, your hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser should start filling the room with fragrance without much trouble. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to set up a hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser. Try these. Step 1. Place the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser on a stable surface before setup begins. Step 2. Insert the fragrance oil bottle into the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser carefully. Step 3. Connect power to the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser and confirm it turns on properly. Step 4. Check tubing connected to the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser if included during setup. Step 5. Adjust scent intensity or schedule settings on the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser carefully. Step 6. Test the hotel collection double presidential scent diffuser.